Now time comes to say goodbye to you from our comparative virtualization training certification program or skills learning program. We cover 6 major options during our whole virtualization journey and cover number of theoretical concepts which require for the purpose of deployment, and we try our best to do more hands-on labs for our all new learners and professionals related to the virtualization certification. A number of resources available with this course. You can utilize them for skill enhancements related to the theoretical concepts as well as your hands-on labs. So a lab manual is also attached with this course. You can also utilize it, and you can perform a number of lab infrastructure activities after the completion of this course. So have a good luck for your career, and have a good luck for your exam certification program.